Here's a 2015 Lexus RX 350. This RX 350 is luxury without apology. Sink into the driver's seat and experience its intense elegance. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability history, and excellent dealer service. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.